Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create filter here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a filter in Jira is a straightforward process that will allow you to save and reuse specific search queries to find and organize issues. Now, once you are here on the specific project, I want you to go to the filter section, and that's going to be on the top corner. Now, I want you to click on the view all filters, and from here, now once you are inside the Jira instance, the filters that is in here is by default, or somebody, if you're working for a specific organization, might have configured the settings for you. But normally, if you do that by yourself, it's by default. Now you see there is an option on the upper right corner that says create filter. Click on that, and these are going to be the settings that you can, of course, work with. All right, let's start with the type. For example, I don't like all of it. I just wanted to go to the task and not all standard issue types, so it's a little bit easier to search for the specific filter. All right, I don't want to involve the epic bug story, and I'm not going to include subtask. Okay, that's one way. All right, so on the status, maybe I'm looking for something like in progress, or maybe you're looking for the already to do or done. Okay, and then you can also check the assignee. For example, this one is for the current user or unassigned. What I'm going to choose is the current user or unassigned. Okay, now you also have an option for the say, maybe was it created like within the last 30 days or more than like maybe 20 minutes ago, or between like this duration. For example, it's from, I believe, August 28th until August 30th, or in the range of maybe like 3 weeks, 4 days, 12 hours. It's all up to you. Okay, click on update, and then on the more plus button here, you see you can also select the created chart of first response and a lot more. So these are the reasons why creating a filter here in Jira is one of the best method to track specific sets of issues that are relevant to your role or responsibilities. All right, now there's another section here because we are on the basic mode. If we click on the JQL, we're going to have more control over the filter we're in. Now, when you switch on the JQL, you can use that to manipulate more about the issue types here in the filter. All right, I'm heading back to the basic, and then from here, all I have to do, once I'm happy with that, you see there's going to be an option here. But of course, you can also have more actions on the bottom here where you can put an assignees and all that. Click on the save filter. Of course, I'm going to name it as something like maybe deflaps filter. And of course, you can have an option for the viewers. Maybe it's going to be for a project within an organization. You can also give access permission for you as a users and a private. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.